Hello, can you understand my English with no subtitles? If yes, keep listening. Today I will tell you a secret story about my friend Daniel. Daniel was best friends with my roommate in college. And Daniel was always very kind, and for many years we were very good friends, and I always thought Daniel and I are just friends. And then one night we were playing a game of Mario Kart with many friends, and suddenly many of our friends wanted to go out to go party at a dance club. I did not want to go, and Daniel did not want to go either. So Daniel and I were playing Mario Kart, and we were playing until 1 a.m. and Daniel's roommate comes back from the party, and his roommate's name is Eric, and Eric comes in and asks, "What are you guys doing? It's really late. Why are you still here?" Daniel stands up and talks to Eric, and they start whispering. They start whispering about something. And I hear my name. They say something about me, and then Daniel and Eric walk away, and Daniel keeps playing Mario Kart with me. And I am wondering what they talked about, but I do not think anything of it. And then we, our friends, are supposed to get lunch on the Wednesday after that party. And for some reason, all of our friends do not show up to the lunch. I am there alone, and then Daniel comes and sits with me, but nobody else shows up. And I think it is very strange. Our friends did not show up. But then Daniel and I start hanging out, and Daniel tells me he likes me. Okay, did you understand my English story? If yes, tell me, what was the game that Daniel and I were playing? Okay, keep practicing and don't give up on your English.